Hey everyone, I'm Alex from Lynn Electronics, and today I'm excited to introduce something brand new for us and a big deal for your fleet. Meet the Lynn 9-in-1 Dome Antenna, one compact, rugged unit that brings all your connectivity together in one clean install. Inside this low-profile dome, 4 Wi-Fi antennas, 4 cellular antennas, all 5G, and 1 GPS GNSS antenna. Yeah, that's 9. We checked. It's sealed, IP69K rated, and built to handle harsh environments, from public safety and utility fleets to transportation and field deployments. Rain, dust, vibration, not a problem. And installation, simple. One mounting hole, clean routing, secure fit, even on ribs or the roof valley. No sanding roofs, it looks factory installed. Because good performance shouldn't look messy. Whether you're boosting data, locking in reliable comms, or keeping fleets connected, this antenna delivers rock-solid performance across multiple bands, all from one smart, rugged solution. So if your job depends on staying connected, and let's be honest, most of them do, the Lynn 9-in-1 Dome Antenna has you covered. Check it out at lynnelectronics.com. Rugged isn't a feature, it's the standard.